My name is Mary Beth Temple from Hooked for Life, and we're going to take a brief look at a double crochet decrease. So we're going to take 2 stitches and turn them into 1. So we're going to begin like we would a normal double crochet stitch. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to yarn over and draw through 2, and now I'm going to stop because I want to keep going and make this decrease. So there are 2 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to do those same steps again. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Now I have 4 on my hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, draw through 2. So you can see what I have is these 2 little halfway completed stitches right next to each other, and there are 3 loops on my hook, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to yarn over and draw through all 3, and that will take my 2 double crochet stitches and make them into 1. There's my 1 little hat. So I'm just going to put a regular double crochet here and move on, and we're going to do that one more time a little more quickly so you can see it in action. Yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2. You have 2 loops on your hook. Do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, draw through the stitch. You have 4 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, draw through 2. You have 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, draw through all 3. And that is all there is to the double crochet 2 together, or the double crochet decrease. I'm Mary Beth Temple. Thank you for joining us at the Good Housekeeping Stitch Club from Yarnspirations.